Hey, to update firmware of the Realme Buds Air 5 Pro, first of all, you will have to open the Realme Link application. You have to be connected with this app. And then you have to be also connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data. And then you will have to click on the three dots in the right upper corner and select firmware version. When the update is available, you can find this information. So during the update, you have to keep earbuds outside the charging case. So we have to actually remove them right now. We have to also do not leave this page, and we don't have to play music, make or answer calls using these earbuds. And below we can also find a small description of this update. So click on the update now button, and as you can see here, you can find this process. So the download is really fast, but now it's actually transferring this update, this firmware, from your phone straight to your buds. So you have to just wait until it hits 100% and it will be finished. So that's all for this video. Right now, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel.